If you want to insert memory card on the Samsung Galaxy A27, then first of all we need to take a look at the left side of the phone, because over here we have the SIM tray. So we should be able to use the eject tool, which you can find, for example, inside the box. Just put it into this SIM tray hole, just like that. And then once it is in, just push it into the phone with a bit of pressure to make it slightly pop out. Once it pops out, you can use your fingernails or fingers and then just completely remove it from the phone, just like that. And then of course, if you want to insert the memory card, then here we have our slot. So we should be able to put it in, very simple. Usually it should be quite sturdy, it should not drop if you, for example, put it upside down. Of course, make sure that you try to put it on the top side of the SIM tray. You can definitely tell that by looking at the labels over there. And once you put it in, once you have your memory card on the SIM tray, then you can just put the SIM tray back into the phone and then just push it all the way in with your finger. Make sure that the SIM tray does not stick out. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.